Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix blue screen of death using SFC Scannow. So let's begin. I want you to go to your Windows Start button over here, click on that and type CMD. Command prompt, make sure to run as the admin, okay? And click yes. Then you will have this window pop up. Now you just need to type in SFC space slash scan now, hit enter, then Windows will automatically begin scanning your computer for any corrupted files and it will fix them. This might take a few minutes though. So, blue screen of death often happens when critical system files become damaged or corrupted. Running this command replaces those files with fresh versions, potentially stopping future crashes. So once it has been completed and repaired, then you will no longer have those blue screen of death. And that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.